because in every video, because we still pour food down here, so we'll use ice again. And yes, we're gonna try a lot more ice this time. Sponge you get on the counter. Just put dish soap on that since it will help. Clean it up a little more. There. Oh man. Looks a little cleaner, right? Still keep hearing this. Still stinks. I wonder what's up with that. Let's wash this bowl first, and then we'll move on to cleaning up the drain. It's like scrubbing up the disposer. Yeah. Okay, let's begin scrubbing. Let's go do the other side. So actually, let's scrub up the plate. Bro. Oh, man. Yeah, let's do some scrubbing. That's what people would usually do. If these hacks do not work. Let's run it. Just to make sure. Okay, stopped. Let's clean up the plate. Make it look good as new. So yeah, the grind rings are definitely completely not visible in the sink, but in the last video there is. Oh, looks like we are actually making some progress. Let me kind of, yeah. I'm not gonna really use my full strength because I might rip it. Parents would not be happy about that. Feels like there's a lot of buildups in here. Usually the plate. Yeah. And it's like this is the dirty ass disposal. Let's not do this for too long because that can get me nervous. The plate spins really easily, so. scrub it. And yeah, we do have vinegar, but not baking soda, which I'm not trying vinegar. Let's run boiling hot water. Let's see the temperature. Not hot enough. We'll wait for at least a little bit. Orzo spaghetti. Still ain't hot enough. It also applies, actually, never mind. We're already running out. Pretty hot, but not boiling yet. Bunch of smoke. Let's turn off that disposal. Let's lift this flapper up. It isn't really that dirty. I probably already cleaned it up from scrubbing it. Okay, please stay like that. I'm gonna try regular water this time. Yeah, never mind. Keep it off. I'm gonna see what it looks like in the drain. There's a grind ring. Man, why is it so foggy in there? Let's run some cold water. There, should be less foggy now. Looks like there's nothing done in this disposal. Zero progress at all. We did do some progress here, but actually, let's leave it on for a few moments to keep all the water out of it. Let's kind of check it out dry before my parents come home. Still stinks. Turn it off, its motor is getting noisy. Looks like it's kind of dry. Not anymore. Let's This flapper is getting it wet again. Once again. Trying to shake off all the water. Sorry guys, I'm being really annoying right now. Let's just see what it looks like right now. Still pretty wet. Oh well. Let's run some dish soap through it. Actually, let's do regular soap. Irregular. It's a floater! I'll run some actual soap since I'm wasting some dish soap here. Okay, let's see. Hope this thing cleans up for once. Actually, let's unscrew it. Let's just dump at least half of the bottle. To give it some great smell. Okay, let's see how it smells. I'm trying to... It smells a lot better. But yeah. Looks like it still isn't clean. Clean it up in the next video. I guess we're gonna scrub it with this thing again. That sponge didn't really clean that much. Disposal smells so freaking weird. Made in England. Is this? Yeah, it's soap. I'm not trying to end up accidentally putting lotion in the drain. Now let's make the disposer smell like lotion. I should have cleaned it up at least a little bit. Looks a bit cleaner. See See you in the next video, guys.